This is a brief message to my constituents related to coronavirus. We are faced with the most incredibly challenging times. It's going to be difficult for everybody. And we're hit with not just one crisis, the health crisis, but a second crisis of the economic crisis of coronavirus. But we can all play our part to make sure that we minimise the number of deaths and the overall impact. Please do follow government guidelines, the NHS guidelines, the Chief Medical Officer's guidelines and so on. And make sure that, for example, that we enact the measures around not travelling if we do not need to, that we enact the social distancing measures wherever we can, that we wash our hands regularly with soap and water for 20 seconds, particularly around the times that we're eating. And of course, if you do get ill and you've got the symptoms, self-isolate, and if necessary, your family needs to self-isolate as well for the appropriate period of time. In addition, let's all act and behave sensibly. So when we go shopping, only buy what we need. We've seen these horrible videos around of people, health workers coming off their shifts only to find empty shelves. Let's make sure that that doesn't happen. Only buy what you need to buy and everybody then will have enough. We've got good supply chains of food in the UK. And on the economic side, in the last week, you've seen the most incredibly interventionist measures ever seen in Britain in peacetime, with a lot of support for workers, a lot of support for businesses. All those measures can be found on the internet under the government's website. Please do take advantage of them if you're a business and you've been impacted by coronavirus. Of course, we've all had an impact on our lives. Pubs, bars, restaurants, leisure facilities, and of course, more recently, schools are now all closed for most people. And we are having a change in our lifestyle. But what I've been amazed by, locally and nationally, is how everybody is stepping up to the effort. We've seen councils, parish councils, town councils, district, county councils, councils across the country really helping where they can. But more than that, the local communities, individuals and charities are coming together to help the most vulnerable. It's been truly inspiring. We are in difficult times, but these we all know are temporary, these measures. We will get over this. And we need to make sure that we have as many healthy people and as many businesses still surviving as possible after we get over this terrible period. Please, let's all help each other. The government's there to help and support you. And I'm confident that we will, together, get through this.